Hi everyone! I've spent time using both the new Google Pixel 9, released in August 2024, and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, which came out in October 2024. In this video, I will share what makes each phone special and help you understand their main differences. Both have great features, but one might fit your needs better. If you want to check the latest prices, I've put Amazon links in the description below. Let's see which phone is right for you. Having used both the Google Pixel 9 and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, I found the Pixel 9 to be smaller and lighter, making it easier to hold and use with one hand. Its glass front and back feel premium, and the recycled aluminum frame adds a nice touch. The Galaxy S24 FE is bigger and heavier, which gives it a more solid feel, but can be less comfortable for long use. Both phones have water resistance and stereo speakers, but the Pixel feels more compact and pocket-friendly overall. The Google Pixel 9 features a 6.3-inch FHD+ OLED display with a resolution of approximately 422 ppi, supporting a refresh rate between 60 and 120 Hz and HDR. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a larger 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 2340 by 1080 resolution, 385 ppi, also supporting 60 to 120 Hz refresh rates and HDR10+. The Galaxy S24 FE boasts a significantly higher peak brightness of around 1900 nits and includes an always-on display feature, providing enhanced visibility and convenience compared to the Pixel 9. The Google Pixel 9 and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE both feature advanced 4nm processors, with the Pixel 9 powered by the Google Tensor G4 and the Galaxy S24 FE using the Exynos 2400E. The Pixel 9 CPU includes a high-performance Cortex-X4 core, promising strong single-threaded performance, while the Galaxy's octa-core processor details are less specific. For graphics, the Pixel 9 employs the Mali G715 MP7 GPU, contrasting with Samsung's Xclipse 940 GPU. Both run Android 14, with the Pixel 9 offering upgradability to Android 16, while the Galaxy uses Samsung's One UI 6.1, providing a more customized user experience. The Google Pixel 9 offers two storage options, 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.1, paired with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM, but does not support expandable storage. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE provides more storage variants, including 128GB to 256GB and 512GB with RAM fixed at 8GB. Its storage technology varies between UFS 3.1 and 4.0 depending on the model, also lacking a card slot for expansion. Overall, the Pixel 9 emphasizes higher RAM capacity, while the Galaxy S24 FE offers more storage flexibility. The Google Pixel 9 features a dual-camera setup with a 50-megapixel wide sensor, f1.68, 1.2 megapixels, and a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, f1.7, both capable of recording 4K video at 24, 30, and 60 fps. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a triple-camera system, including a 50-megapixel wide sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, along with PDF and OIS for improved focus and stabilization. While the Pixel emphasizes high-resolution ultra-wide capture, the Samsung provides additional telephoto versatility and enhanced stabilization features. The Google Pixel 9 features a 10.5-megapixel ultra-wide front camera with an f2.2 aperture, capable of recording 4K video at 24, 30, and 60 fps. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE has a slightly lower resolution 10-megapixel front camera that supports PDAF and Auto HDR, enhancing focus speed and dynamic range. It also records 4K video, but only at 30 and 60 fps, with additional 1080p options at 30 and 60 fps. Overall, the Pixel 9 offers a marginally higher resolution and ultra-wide lens, while the Galaxy S24 FE emphasizes autofocus and HDR features. The Google Pixel 9 and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE both feature a 4700 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery, offering similar capacity. The Pixel 9 supports slightly faster wired charging at 27 watts, compared to the Galaxy S24 FE's 25 watt, Both phones provide 15 watts wireless charging, ensuring convenient cable-free power top-ups. However, the Pixel 9 has an advantage in reverse wireless charging with a higher 5 watts output, enabling better power sharing to other devices, whereas the Galaxy S24 FE offers a lower 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging capability. After using both the Google Pixel 9 and the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, I can say each phone has its strengths. The Pixel 9 offers a clean, easy-to-use interface with excellent camera quality, while the Galaxy S24 FE stands out with a vibrant display and great battery life. Both phones perform well for everyday tasks. Ultimately, your choice should depend on what features matter most to you. Check the description for Amazon links to find the latest prices and decide which phone fits your needs best.